Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to get these luscious curls by using the CHI Aloe Vera with Agave Nectar Curls Define collection. First, I start by using the curl enhancing shampoo and a detangling conditioner. Next, I'm going to take the humidity resistant leave-in conditioner. I'm just going to add a couple pumps into your hand and then spray it evenly into your hair. You just want to get that all the hair cuticle and everything nice and smooth. You know how the weather is. Weather sometimes not your best friend, so you just want to leave it in your hair, run it through. It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell this right now. Next, we're going to add some control gel. This is not like every other gel out there. This will not leave your hair crunchy. It will be nice and soft. You can touch it, run your hands through it. You need it. Just going to add about 3 pumps, give or take, depending on how much hair you have. Run it through your hands, and then run it through your hair. Evenly disperse it from your roots to your ends, from your ends back to your roots. Fabulous. Next, we're going to diffuse my curly hair with the CHI Nano hair dryer. Okay, now that my hair is nice and dry, last but not least, we're going to take some aloe vera oil. It's going to make your hair shine as bright as that diamond that you are. You're just going to take a few drops. Little goes a long way. You're going to take care of any little frizz that you think you see. Just run your hands through it. You want some shine. Bunch it up, give it some life, and you're done. If you want to refresh your curls, here's a little secret. Take our curl reactivating spray, spray it in your hair, and give it that fresh, bouncy look. This is how I achieved my luscious curls using the CHI Aloe Vera with Agave Nectar Curls Define collection.